Crypto trading bots are the newest investment trend on the block, and they are definitely worth investigating and looking into. However, like any other AI tool, you really have to do your own research before jumping into that crypto trading using those automated bots. Overall, crypto trading bots and the AI that runs them can help you learn to become a better trader. And that's why today on Renegade News, we're getting into all the details about how crypto trading bots can take your investing success to the next level, along with what you need to watch out for. Welcome back to Renegade News. I'm your host, Glenn Kowalski. Every week on this channel, we discuss the latest news, strategies, and tactics for breaking free from the system, paying less tax, and living anywhere in the world that you want. So let's just dive right on into it. As exciting as automated trading bots sound, before you dive into this emerging technology, you really need to do your due diligence about the actual bot that you're going to be using, because the security and the stability of these bots can vary widely from system to system. And if you're new to the world of crypto trading bots, I'd like to give you a little bit of help just to get you started. So first of all, what is this crypto trading bot? Well, crypto trading bots they're really simply just computer programs. And they use this automated trading system to create buy and sell orders, and then they execute them on the exchange by the program. Each bot has its own set of rules that they follow, which is usually customizable by you, and that's based on a larger, longer-term trading strategy. These trading strategies are based on technical analysis as well as advanced statistical mathematical calculations, and those govern the entry and the exit points of each trade. So how do these trades and these crypto trading bots work? Well, what happens is when you open up your cryptocurrency exchange account and you deposit the funds, at that time you set up the account with the bot trading platform. That platform then accesses your crypto exchange using the application programming interfaces, or APIs, and that's where your trading robot communicates with your exchange to execute buy or sell orders. And these orders are set up using your own parameters. So your crypto trading bot bases its trading strategies on the parameters that you've established. Generally speaking, those are very easy to set up. So for example, if you're trading contracts or differences or price differences between the coin pairs, you would list which coins that you want to trade. You'd then allocate somewhere around $3,000 for each bot, and then you'd have minimum and maximum price ranges that you would work within. So the biggest question is, are these trading bots profitable? And right now, there are definitely opportunities to make money because crypto is so volatile, and particularly among some of the smaller and the newer altcoins. So even when the market's in a downturn like it is right now, you can still make a lot of money. Trading altcoin pairs with the lowest fees is where you make the best profits though. And this could mean focusing on trading pairs that aren't part of the Ethereum blockchain because it has these higher fees. Coin pairs found on the Solana, Avalanche, and the Binance blockchains do potentially give you higher profit margins because of the lower fees that exist on those blockchains. And that allows you to trade more frequently at a lower fee so you can make better profits on small trades. However, I do need to give you a word of warning because not every trading bot is going to make you money. So before diving into this market, you really need to closely examine the specific features of the bot to find the best bot for your needs. Now, a good starting point is to make a list of the trading bots that are on the market and then scrolling through the customer reviews, which usually includes some kind of discussion about the overall performance and the profitability of each product. There are a few features that you should consider when you're choosing that trading bot. And there's really 5 areas to focus on. It's reliability, security, ease of use, profitability, and the price. So the first is the reliability. And a reliable trading bot has to have a stable platform which you can trade around the clock without going offline because of a computer or network glitch. A simple Google search using the name of the bot and the words platform security is a good starting point. And then you can start looking at those reviews and then looking at the customer reviews. Next is looking at the security. So you want to check how secure the bot is. Hackers have frequently targeted the trading bots and some of these newly created decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges as targets. So carefully research the individuals behind the trading bot and who wrote it, and assess their professional credibility. A good trading bot is going to have information on their website detailing all of their security practices. And customer reviews are also going to give you a clue as to the robustness of their system. Next, you want to look at the ease of use. If you're new to trading, especially, and if you're not particularly technologically savvy, it's really worth using a trading bot which is easy to use. You also want to look at the profitability because ultimately the success of any trading bot is measured in the terms of the profits it can create. You should be able to assess the profitability of each bot you consider based on the information provided on their website that should show their trading track record. Customer reviews here are even more helpful. And finally, you have to look at the price. You want to consider the price of every bot that you're looking at. Remember the old maxim, if the product is free, you are the product though. So you may not want a free product, although we'll talk about that a little bit later. Generally speaking, a bot which charges users of fees is going to offer you superior features and a higher level of service. These fees can range from anywhere from $7 to $30 a month or even more. So the higher the fees, obviously the less profit you make, but you're going to be getting extra features and stability by paying those prices. Now, that being said, there are some excellent exchanges like Pionex, which has 16 trading bots included in the platform, and those are free to use. Kucoin is another good example of a high volume exchange that has a lot of good trading opportunities, and they also have a trading bot that you can use for free. Now, you also have to look at some of the pros and cons of using trading bots in general. Obviously, there's pros or nobody would doing it, and some of those pros are they are emotionless. And that means that orders are only placed based upon existing data and the parameters that are set in advance. Emotionless trading eliminates the risk of human error from making a quick trade based on FOMO or panicking in wildly volatile markets. This is something that we're all guilty of. And in trading, you cannot have emotion. That's the key to successful trading. These trading sets allow you to backtest your trading strategy, and that way you can eliminate the potential mistakes and calculate your expected returns. They help you as a trader to remain consistent. These trading bots also give you faster speeds, and they're highly efficient. And these pre-processed orders allow you to enter and exit the volatile markets to profit from micro fluctuations in the altcoins. And they can operate much faster than you can do manually. They also diversify your trading platform and help you spread your risk across different instruments. Next, they work while you sleep. And these trading bots monitor the prices and they trade and the trading patterns, and they can trade and work 24 hours a day, which gives you opportunity to really make money while you sleep. Now, of course, like anything, there's going to be cons and there's things that you need to be aware of. For example, you do need to monitor their performance. You can't just simply set them and forget them. And if you have one correct variable in your trading bot configuration, you can lose money very fast if you're not watching it. You also need to keep a close eye on the world news and anything that's going to affect the financial markets, because you may find that you need to change your trading strategies, and the strategies that you've set up today aren't necessarily going to work tomorrow. And they have to meet the changes in the economic conditions that could make your existing parameters less profitable. You also really need to have some prior experience and background knowledge in the cryptocurrency markets. And if you don't, in the first pinned comment, I'm going to give you a link to a workshop that we've set up, a fast action that will give you the information that you need to get started with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin today. And within just a few minutes, get you on a path to better and safer usage of Bitcoin and the technologies. Like I said, you'll find that link in the first pinned comment below. Now, once you have that knowledge, you have to use it, because even though these bots come with these preset parameters, you really need to understand how they work and the way that they are best pre-configured if the market conditions change. You also need to be aware that there are security risks around their use, as trading bots communicate with the cryptocurrency exchanges using the API, or the application programming interface. These centralized bots can be vulnerable to hackers, and they will always pose attractive targets to malicious users who want to profit from any loopholes that they can find. So there are things that you can do to mitigate this risk by ensuring that your API key is kept secret all the time, and also tweaking your account settings by switching off all automatic withdrawals. Crypto trading bots give you an opportunity to start making money on autopilot, whether the market is going up or down. But that does not mean that every trade is going to be profitable, or that you're going to see your portfolio go through the roof every time you start to use one. You do need to do your due diligence, and you need to find the best systems, and then you have to monitor them constantly to ensure that they're performing properly. And also remember that survival over the next few years is going to take more than just your investments and your trading experience. So remember to subscribe to Renegade News right now to stay up to date on the latest strategies for breaking free from bureaucrats, bankers, bosses, and borders, and finding more personal, financial, and location independence in this unfree world. And check out the video you see on the screen right now for more information on the best places to live, starting an offshore business, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and so much more. I'm Glenn Kowalski from Renegade News, and I'll see you over there.